Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now the topic is Colombia, Cuba, Mexico. What's behind Trump's threats? Venezuela crisis. Now the article explains why the United States, especially during Donald Trump's era, showed aggressive behavior towards Colombia, Cuba, Mexico and Greenland. And even though these places are different, the reasons behind US pressure are quite similar. Colombia, Cuba and Mexico. So why is the US angry? See, the main reasons are: number one, drug problem, especially fentanyl. The US is facing a drug overdose crisis. It blames Mexico and Cuba and Colombia for drug cartels. The US accuses these countries of not doing enough to stop drugs entering America. Second is illegal immigration. Many people enter the US illegally through Mexico. And Trump threatens tariffs, extra taxes, military action, cutting aid to force Mexico and others to cooperate. Third is the ideological difference. Cuba is a communist country. The US sees Cuba as anti-American, supporting regimes the US dislikes like Venezuela. Hence, sanctions and pressures continue. Fourth is the US using pressure tactics, trade threats, sanctions, military warnings. This shows power politics, not friendship. Now let us talk about the Greenland. Why does the US want it? See, what exactly is Greenland? It is a large island. You can see here. It is a large island near the Arctic, controlled by Denmark. Rich in minerals, oil, gas, is strategically very important. So why is the US interested in Greenland? The number one strategic location. It is close to Arctic region, important for military bases, missile defenses, monitoring Russia and China. Second is the natural resources, rare earth minerals, oil and gas, important for future technologies as well. And third and the last is China's growing influence on Greenland. So China is increasing its presence in the Arctic. US fears losing control. Trump even suggested buying Greenland. This raised serious global concerns. Now the big message of this whole article is that the US is acting aggressively to protect its interests, using power, threats and pressure, less focus on diplomacy, more on dominance. This is a sign of great power rivalry in the world. And if you look at India's angle, shows why strategic autonomy exactly matters for India, importance for diversified diplomacy, warning against over-dependence on any one power. The US approach towards Latin America and Greenland reflects a shift from diplomacy to coercive geopolitics driven by security concerns, resource competition and great power rivalry. Now let's talk about the UPSC relevance of this whole topic. So this whole issue is highly important for GS paper 2, which is international relations, and GS paper 3, security and economy. There are very nice brilliant pointers also, like Greenland is strategically important due to the Arctic. Fentanyl crisis is central to US pressure on Mexico and Colombia. Cuba remains under US sanctions due to ideological conflict. US uses tariff sanctions and threats as foreign policy tools. So again, this whole article becomes very important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.